bafowethu nodadewethu sihle lo. Into engifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngayo namhlanje into one, just one thing. It's a tweet, it's relevant to a tweet esendwe ulady Zamar about 2 days ago about your precious man is a liar and a cheater. So into nesikhuluma ngayo, it's a mentality kulezi ezinye inhlanga about umuntu omZulu, because most of inhlanga ezinye into ezicabangayo about umZulu ukuthi is arrogant, stupid, stubborn and bullying. So angazi ukuthi lento singayishintsha kanjani mentality lezi ezinye inhlanga ukuthi zishintshe ukucabanga about umuntu omZulu, because noma ngathi uyakuphi la uzozwa khona kwakhunywa umuntu omZulu, into efika kubona emakhanda abo nje the stupid thing eyenzekile lapho, or khona into engekho right eyenzekile. So angazi ukuthi i-mentality even if i-mentality yabo ezinye inhlanga singayishintsha kanjani. Even if wayendaweni wafika khuluma iZulu, kuzoba ne-attention nje attention nje yakho wedwa, because they'll think you're gonna be bully, you're gonna be stubborn, or you're gonna do something wrong. Because for example ngenze yona nje example ngayo le Twitter lady Zamar, your precious man is a liar, or your precious Zulu man is a liar and a cheater. So like wonke umuntu ozocabanga umZulu uzocabanga ukuthi is gonna lie and is gonna cheat. So angazi ukuthi singayishintsha kanjani leyo nto ukuthi ezinye inhlanga zishintshe mentality about umZulu, because into esibhekana nazo every day, into esibhekana nayo every day around Joburg, because it's most Joburg yenzeka khona around Gauteng province as a whole. Into esibhekana nayo ukuthi wherever you go as umZulu wakhuluma isiZulu kuzoshintsha i-attention, because they will think into ezokwenzeka something ozoyenza is gonna be stupid, arrogant or bullying. Angazi makuthi nawe khona into eyenzeka kuwe mhlambe, or khona into ofuna si-address, sacela just uput i-comment lapha ngenzansi, or just ulike or subscribe for ukuze in case mangikhipha amanye ama-video about izinto ezikhona esibhekana nazo njengabantu la eJohannesburg, because as amaZulu esibhekana nazo la eJohannesburg sikhulume naso i-address, because into hayi ukuthi into eyenziwa ama-celebrity yonke, easy now, even politician bayenza, even normal person nje, normal person ongasi umZulu omunye uhlanga liyayenza when you ever speak wakhuluma isiZulu eduze wakhe. Ngiyabonga, just to like, subscribe and ukuze in case mangikhipha enye video about into eqondene naleyo ukwazi ukuthi isithole sicommente, then sikhulume ngayo, sizame ukuthi sishintshe mhlawumbe i-mentality yabantu ukucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe at least basibone ngenye indlela umZulu, because okwamanje sibhekana izinto ezibhekana nazo in like most of Gauteng province, it's very bad.